Truth be told, pastry chefs are not known for their knife skills. We just aren't. And most bakeries have dull knives, and it's sort of a joke, but not a joke. And I myself have taken my knives into fancy kitchen stores to watch them go use a knife sharpener like you're looking at right now. So they charged me $7 to $10 per knife. So I thought I'm going to buy one. And I have taken them to knife sharpeners, and unless they are very, very skilled, they tend to take off too much of your knife. Fluted edged or santoku knives have their own sharpeners, and mandolins have blades that can be replaced. I recommend a cut glove, and I wouldn't work without one. This machine is really great for straight knives, and the slot on the left is for a heavily nicked knife, and the one in the middle is for a good heavy sharpening, and the one on the right is for fine tuning and serrated. Serrated cannot be used on the other two, and I have a serrated knife that you'll see that I've never had sharpened, and it's a little different than the other serrated. A honing steel is something you use in between sharpening or right before you're going to use a knife to cut something, and you can get them very inexpensively. So if you follow a few simple rules, you will keep yourself safe. Handle your knives with respect, keep them sharp, clean them right after use, use safe handling procedures, use appropriate cutting surfaces, and store your knives properly. Knives are so expensive, so if you take good care of them, they will take good care of you.